Hi. Today, I am going to teach you how to upgrade PHP 5.6 to 7.3 version using XAMPP. So, let's get started. First, check your current PHP version using XAMPP dashboard. On my case, I am currently using PHP 5.6. After that, stop the XAMPP server. Now follow these steps to get rid of update version of PHP. Download official XAMPP release from sourceforge.net and extract zip file on your hard drive. Go to your installed XAMPP drive. On my case, it is in D drive. And make sure you created previous backup by rename those folder PHP to PHP 5 and Apache to Apache 5. Now open your downloaded file. On my case, it is in E drive. Copy PHP and Apache folder to your main XAMPP directory. I am using Sublime to edit php.ini file, which you can find that newly copied PHP folder on XAMPP directory. Now press Ctrl F and type XAMPP to find location address on file. Then paste directory address to locate the actual address. Start XAMPP to check updated version. Here we go. Now it is PHP 7.3 running on my machine. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Also, do not forget to share this video.